Look, 95% of car owners are paying for advanced features they never use. And here's the brutal truth. One tiny oversight, like ignoring dirt ingress at the pump, can trigger fuel system cross-contamination, leading to injector fouling, high-pressure pump cavitation, misfires, and a $3,000 plus engine rebuild. Your car already has built-in defenses against this mess. Before you blow another dime on preventable damage, stick around for these 17 secret car features almost nobody talks about. Skipping could cost you serious money, or worse. Feature number 1, remote key fob special functions. If you're still using your key fob just for lock and unlock, you're leaving massive convenience and protection on the table. Most owners miss 10 to 15 hidden functions. Here are the 3 that deliver real daily wins. Remote window and sunroof venting from outside. On scorching days, this drops cabin temperature 20 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, slashes interior UV degradation on leather and plastics, and prevents heat-soaked electronics from premature failure. Kia, Volkswagen, Hyundai, press and hold unlock 3 to 5 seconds. Windows drop, sunroof often tilts. Honda, Volvo, unlock once, then hold. Physical key method, insert in driver's door keyhole, unlock, turn clockwise and hold to lower, counterclockwise to raise and seal. Feature number 2, color-coded engine components. Manufacturers color code to prevent catastrophic mix-ups and cross-contamination that ruin engines. Ignore it and you're pouring money into shops, or worse, hydrolocking from wrong fluids. Yellow, blue, red, green caps, owner serviceable. Oil dipstick or filler, often yellow or orange. Coolant expansion tank, blue or green with pressure waves. Washer fluid, blue wiper icon. Bright for quick ID to avoid dumping oil into coolant, creating emulsion sludge and overheating. Black and gray components like engine block, cam covers, high-pressure fuel rails, pro only. These demand torque sequences, thread lockers, or risk fuel leaks and fire. Pro tip, always clean cap areas first to block debris ingress. Check on level ground after cooldown. Never exceed max lines. Overfilling aerates fluids and starves pumps. This system alone saves hundreds yearly in avoided misdiagnosis fees. But spotting fluid caps won't help if you're sliding on invisible ice. Next warning could save your life. Feature number 4, road condition indicators. NHTSA logs 150,000 plus crashes yearly from low traction surfaces, yet drivers blow past the alerts. The yellow snowflake or frost icon triggers below 37 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit, Toyota 37 degrees, Volkswagen 39 degrees, signaling reduced surface tension and grip loss up to 80%. Red for severe freeze. Volvo Connected Safety aggregates real-time data from nearby Volvos, alerts for black ice, fog, or stopped traffic ahead via Dash or HUD. Why it works? Gives you braking distance seconds earlier when friction coefficient plummets. Feature number 4, hidden storage. Jeep Grand Cherokee leads with secret compartments. Locations change yearly to foil thieves, often under cargo floors or behind panels. Infiniti G35, rear armrest first aid hideaway. Volkswagen Golf, under driver's seat. Toyota Hilux, dash cooler bin for drinks. Maximizes organization, secures valuables against smash and grabs, stashes emergency tire plugs or cables. Pro tip, use for roadside kits. Out of sight, quick grab. Jeep hides smart stuff, but Nissan simplifies the annoying next. Feature number 5, easy fill tire alert. Underinflation kills tire life and spikes fuel use 10 to 20%. Nissan's Easy Fill, still active on 2025 to 2026 Rogue, Altima, Sentra, Pathfinder, Aria, park, brake on, ignition on, engine off, fill, lights flash activation, single honk at target PSI, usually 33 to 35 cold, double honk or hazards if over. GMC Tahoe, Yukon, Suburban, Escalade, Jeep Grand Cherokee match it. Precise pressure cuts rolling resistance, extends tread thousands of miles, boosts wet handling. Feature number 6, fuel gauge arrows. Wrong side pump pulls, instant embarrassment. Tiny arrow beside gas pump icon points to filler door. Standard decades solves rental chaos. Feature number 7, fuel cap holder. Dangling cap scratches paint and drags in grit, road salt, and debris. Set on roof or trunk, same contamination risk. Drops into tank, clogs filters, fouls injectors, cavitates pumps, $3,000 plus fix. Holder molded in fuel door flap, clips in 2 seconds, seals evap, blocks moisture or rust in steel tanks. Tiny habit prevents massive bills. Feature number 8, anti-glare features. Headlight glare forces 14% of seniors off night roads. Manual rear view tab flips prism angle, cuts reflected intensity. Digital mirrors, camera LCD, eliminate glare and blind spots. Adaptive headlights auto pivot or dim based on traffic or curves. Feature number 9, traffic signal change warning. 40% crashes at intersections, Audi Q7, A4, BMW iDrive 8.5 Plus, dashboard flash for light changes via V2i. Subaru, forward traffic movement beeps. Feature number 10, emergency shift button under the gear. Dead battery locks automatic in park, shift lock override, pry slot near shifter, press button with key or screwdriver, shift neutral, avoids tow when blocked. Feature number 11, backup mechanical key. Fob button releases hidden key. Dead battery, pry door handle cap, insert key, entry when stranded. Feature number 12, drowsiness and distraction detection systems. Camera monitors blink rate, head position, lane weave, coffee icon or beeps warn. Subaru, eye icon plus rapid alerts. Heat it, it prevents fatigue wrecks. Feature number 13, conversation mirror. Minivans and SUVs, Honda Odyssey, GMC Yukon, Toyota Sienna, Highlander, Pilot, overhead sunglasses holder flip-down wide-angle mirror views rear rows, eyes forward, kids calm. Feature number 14, adaptive cruise control. Maintains gap/speed to lead vehicle. 92% new cars offer optional. Sensors foul with dirt or snow, clean or it quits, risking collisions on low traction roads. Feature number 15, emergency braking assist. Amplifies panic brake pressure. 90% drivers under-apply. With AEB, auto stops for obstacles, but dark or low contrast limits. Feature number 16, night vision. Luxury, BMW X5, Audi A8, Mercedes S-Class, infrared or thermal detects 600 to 1,000 feet. Pedestrians or animals glow. Aftermarket retrofits possible. Feature number 17, crumple zones and safety cells. Mercedes 50's innovation, front and rear deform to absorb kinetic energy. Rigid central cell shields occupants. Explains walkaway survivals in pancaked fronts. You've unlocked features worth thousands in avoided repairs and added safety. Tired of mechanic overcharges? Subscribe. You're joining a no BS community that treats cars like precision machines, not disposables. Drop your biggest aha feature below, then watch the next one on Pro Secrets only high mileage drivers master. Drive sharp.